Alright guys, if you remember, these curtains came from my front room as well as this rug. But I didn't need them down there anymore because I brought them in my dressing room. Now I covered the top of this dresser with Dollar Tree wallpaper. And also I got this little light from the Dollar Tree. But I'm about to show you some of the ideas that I came up with. Now y'all know I redid my front room and I replaced the pendant lights in my kitchen. So what did I do with the covers? That's what I'm about to show you now. I have a lot of ideas to show you about what you can do with the covers that came off of these pendant lights. Now guys, I have changed things on my kitchen table since showing you the last video, but this is why I changed my pendant light covers to match my dining room table. Now I have a lot of these pendant light covers left, and I am about to show you what I am about to do with these pendant light covers. Now I can use this inside of my house or on the patio, but we're just going to show you a few ideas that I am going to use in my room. Now I put the pendant light and the Dollar Tree light inside of that, and I like it because at night it gives a nice ambiance and a little light. So I decided to play with it a little more because that was a little too low for me. So I decided to stack the pendant lights on top of one another. I can put a Dollar Tree light on the bottom and I can put a Dollar Tree light in the top. This is another Dollar Tree lamp that I have, and I have a variety of these guys. I have them in white, black, but also I'm going to show you a little trick with this. Now this is an instant lamp. It has height, and you guys know that I am just showing you different ways you can use things around your home. How you decorate it is on you, but these are just quick ideas. Now this Dollar Tree wallpaper I have on top of my dresser. I have covered other parts of my room with it, but let's see how I am going to use it to cover this lamp. Now guys, nothing that I do is permanent because I like change. And once I figured out that I like change, I do everything so I will be able to change it out. So watch these little tricks that I have to show you. This matched really good with my curtains. So, that is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the soft colors in that paper. Look at that.